Hi, I'm Todd Beddick. I'm the head of the accessory and performance portfolio for Mopar. Here to go through some accessories that we have for Mopar for the all-new Jeep Wrangler. So the two-door that we brought has got a very off-road theme to it. The first thing that we did to this was we added a Jeep Performance Parts 2-inch lift kit. Get some extra ground clearance, and also allows for us to then put on our beadlock wheels with a 35-inch tire. So in total you get about 3 inches of increased ground clearance. Also, we have our Mopar rock rails, which add not just protection to the body, but they're also a little wider than the standard rock rail, so you can use them for step into and out of the vehicle. In the front, we've taken the Winch capable bumper that comes on the Rubicon, and we've added our Rubicon winch. Also, we've added a winch protection bar, and on that we mounted some 7-inch Jeep Performance Parts lights. These offer over 8,000 lumens of output, and those are a flood pattern to help really light what's in front of you. And then on the cowl here we have our 5-inch lights, which are more of a spot pattern to really help throw light down the trail. So the combination of these really make night wheeling a lot more visible for you. So around the back, once you add these big, heavy, oversized tires, you need to reinforce the tailgate. So we put on our tailgate reinforcement and also our rear brake lights relocation kit, so you keep everything visible and legal. And for those of you who like to have some fun in the sun, but don't want to have too much, we put on our bikini top, which allows the open air experience, but helps keep you a little bit cooler while you're out on the road.